welcome to the channel. I'm working on this Supra. Get it all set up ready for us to paint and build a nice custom GT wing on the back of this sucker, and we'll go ahead and make some pop-up headlights, so just kind of enjoy the setup process here, and I'll talk a little bit more in a little bit about making some pop-up headlights and how I make my wing. So anytime I'm trying to cut like 45-degree angles, or kind of like what you see right here on the video, I like to use this thing called the chopper. It's pretty good. You can get like a cheaper one online from Micromark, but my wife was nice enough to get this for me for my birthday. So this thing's really high quality and makes a really nice cut every single time you do it. So the first thing I do, cut it on a 45, and then I just kind of cut it straight right here in a 90. I make it nice and as short as I can get it. Actually, I don't think that's a 45. I think it's a 60, but yep. And I got these two little pieces here. We want to make sure that they fit and they look kind of just like little pop-up headlights. And just put a little dab of glue and you put it right on there, and it's pretty simple. That's it right there. And then once they're on there, really you just got to kind of shape them down the way that you want. Take a little bit of the excess glue off, and that way it's a lot easier to paint, and it gives it the right shape that you want it to have. The best thing to do is always just take your time on them. Wing, I always kind of just take two pieces of styrene, I put a little dab of glue and draw out a little bit of what I want it to look like with some tape on it, and then I just kind of take a simple jewelry saw and trace it around and just give it its basic shape. And then once I got its shape kind of figured out, as you see right here, I'll sand it down a little bit, and I'll take this little tiny screwdrivers, craft screwdrivers, just kind of drill some holes in it to give it its shape. And then really you just have to be super careful at this part so you don't snap the pieces of styrene, especially because they're so thin. It's pretty easy to just kind of mess that up. And then I want it to fit around the wing the right way, so what I'll kind of do is I'll cut a piece of the back bumper over here, and then I'll just use a simple rotary tool to cut all those pieces away. I usually just make all my own paints. A couple other videos there, I think I've kind of shown them there, but honestly, you know, making your own spray paint, especially with the airbrush, it's really not that hard. You know, you just get a thinner, and it's so easy to do. I kept looking online a lot, looking for different types of paints and thinking that I needed to spend a lot of money on airbrush paint, but you really don't. I mean, the color comes out pretty good, and these are like chameleon paints, so I know I don't have, so I got a shitty camera. It's not really that great of a camera, but like this just works kind of perfect for what I just do, and it comes out pretty nice.
If I want it, gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the
Thanks for watching. If you like the content, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think I should do next. I got a project that's coming up next whenever I get some time to finish it up. But if you got any good ideas for me, let me know.